vlog and my little space. It's Sanjana. I hope you all are doing good. And in today's vlog, we came here in Abdul Kalam Park with my family, and we're gonna visit. I think it's prohibited to do videography and photography inside. Let's see. First, we will ask, and then I'll share you the claims. Before entering, I made sure if we can make the video or not, and they said yeah, you can make, but not with the help of camera. So I started making video with my phone's camera, and look at the view. It's so green, it's so flourishing. There is so much flora and fauna to observe here. The day was warm and sunny, no cold breezing. Love it. This is the statue of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, as the park is constructed to pay him homage. It seems we are the only ones who came here today to visit the park, as I can't see any family here roaming around. Look at her go. My mom looks alluring and angelic in white, and she is a bold woman of my life. Hi bolo, Laksh. She's my youngest sister. यहाँ पे बोटिंग का जगह है ना?
तो कब दिख लिया हम लोग?
कितना प्राइस होगा इधर ना?
30%.
बहुत कूल है ना?
30%
ये रहा बोटिंग का जगह.
The water looks too marshy. In forest, I saw one father and his child carrying woods to their house. हम थोड़ा पार्क में और आगे जा रहे हैं. You can see it's all jungle. They instructed this park inside the jungle. और ये newly inaugurated है. अभी हम लोग मेरी मम्मी को और भैया को ढूंढने के लिए जा रहे हैं. पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए वो लोग. Actually, we were clicking pictures back there and they left us. अभी पता नहीं कहाँ है. ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Our mom, भैया and Lakshmi are here in this jungle, and we are going to find them. इधर आप मुझे कुछ दिखाओ यहाँ पर दिखाई है. Look at this beautiful bloom. It has this lavender color. कितना सुंदर है ये flower. Wild में भी इतना अच्छा blooms होता है. Look at this gorgeous lavender queen blooming through the dry bushes. This jungle looks like where the actors from serial come for their shooting. ऐसा लग रहा है सूट पहन के बहुत बड़ा गलती कर दिया. जंगल है यहाँ पे बहुत सारा. हम अभी जंगल के अंदर ही है. देखो अब मैं यहाँ पर अपनी सैंडल को संभालूं या फिर अपनी चुन्नी को संभालूं. इट्स लाइक ट्रैकिंग. माय गुडनेस, मुझे शूज़ और जीन्स पहनना चाहिए था या फिर ट्राउज़र. आफ्टर वॉकिंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग वी फाउंड देम. देयर दे आर. नाउ वी आर गोना गेट इनसाइड अ केव एंड इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट टू स्टेप हियर बिकॉज ऑफ रॉक्स एंड पेबल्स. अब मेरा भाई ऑलरेडी जा चुके हैं. We are going. Wait, I'll show you. So this is the cave, which is not that dark and that deep. From inside, you can see it's not that scary as I was expecting it to be. हम लोग पूरा झुक के जा रहे हैं अभी. सर पे लगने से तो खत्म. इधर ही गेम ओवर हो जाएगा हमारा. कहाँ जाना है भैया? ओह, ये सूट पहन के गलती कर दिया. दिक्कत हो रहा है. जाओ जाओ. I got some wild chestnuts here. You can see. भैया इधर दिखाना तो. कहाँ गया? Here. Look at here. Wild chestnuts. Look. I think it's a tree of chestnut. और बाकी कंट्रीज में तो बड़ा बड़ा चेस्टनट होता है, बट इन मेघालय we find some those wild chestnut. They are small in size. I can show you the covering. It's so spiky. Look at the cover. It's so spiky. I think I wanna munch some. I'll munch some, but it seems it's rotten inside. After coming out of the previous cave, we are gonna get inside the another cave which is gonna be dark and deep inside. This is the opening from which we entered in the cave, and now we are gonna get deep inside. Look at the sparkle, isn't it insane? It's so gorgeous. Inside the cave it was way too dark that we were unable to see anything. That's why we had to turn on our flashlights, and we were looking at the beautiful rocks and the detailings the nature has created. Slowly we are coming out of the cave after enjoying the whole dark scenario from inside. Now Bhaiya is also coming out as we have already came out. We were at the other side of the cave, that's why we have to go to the entrance. आप लोग देख सकते हैं मेरा कंडीशन फालतू में मैं चुन्नी वुन्नी लगा के आई थी और फाइनली आफ्टर स्ट्रगलिंग वी केम आउट एंड इट वाज एन अमेजिंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड. इट्स लाइक एन एडवेंचर. और जैसे मैंने दिखाया था चेस्टनट्स, वाइल्ड चेस्टनट्स भी है कितना ज़्यादा. आई वांट टू पिक देम बट ऑल ऑफ देम आर रॉटन. सो बाय बाय. तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं खसी ड्रेस पहनने के लिए, द ट्रेडिशनल वन. देखते हैं वहाँ पे वैराइटीज़ ऑफ खसी ड्रेसेस विल बी देयर. तो हम लोग वहाँ जाके ट्राई करने वाले हैं. मेरी बहनें शायद ऑलरेडी चली गई है वो लोग वहाँ पर मम्मी के साथ. और नाउ दे आर लुकिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज माई फोन्स कैमरा is better, the quality is better, so I think they want to click pictures with my phone and I'm here and on the way. Let's see. Goodness, look at my sisters. वो लोग already ready हो चुकी है और यहाँ पे click कर रही है. Look at her, my little one. आप लोग नहीं पहनोगे? ओह, ट्रेडिशनल अटायर पहनने वाले हैं. I think they have lot of tribal dresses. Let's see which one I'm gonna pick. This is the changing room where my sister already came to change and she is wearing khasi attire. मेरी बहन ने मिज़ो attire पहना है. Look at her. She looks dazzling. She looks like a Mizo though. Here they have khasi, naga, Mizo dresses to wear for clicking pictures. My sisters have already got ready. Now it's my mom's and my turn. Look at the dress I am wearing, Angami Naga dress. It is beautiful. I really love it. I am literally obsessed with it right now. तो मैंने ड्रेस किया है नागा अंगामी. मेरी मम्मी ने सेमा किया था. She already changed. तो ओए नीवी नमो देखो, मेरी सिस्टर्स ने खसी अटायर पहना है. Look at the dress. मेरा तो you can see the ornaments they are stones it seems, and they are so heavy. And look at my attire. First time ये पहना है. Actually my friend is from Angami tribe, so I'll show her. We will have some food we already ordered. Let's see what Bhaiya has ordered. Actually we were so busy in clicking pictures that I couldn't able to make vlog and all, that we are clicking pictures here and there. Then eventually we came here because we were so hungry, and now we are in a restaurant. It's within the park, and here we are just applying some lip balm. After that after getting food we just started having food, and even I didn't shoot what we ate here in the restaurant. After having our food we are heading back to our home. On the way, look at these grasses. They are used for making brooms, which we use for sweeping on the floor and for dusting. This beautiful stream is what I was waiting for. Now this turn I had to involve in my vlog. Here I'm literally enjoying the aesthetically built houses. This is an international border which we share with Bangladesh. Earlier, the other side was our part. However, during partition, the part was given to them. Now we have reached in Borhil. It is nearest to my village, and in 1st January we came here for picnic. We walked down to the Lord Shiva's temple, and here we came in the back of this mandir, and this is the view. It's the time of sunset. Now we came here in one of the oldest Shiv mandir in Borhil. You can see my siblings, they are clicking pictures here. अब हम लोग घर की तरफ जाएंगे. हम बोरिल आए थे शिव जी के मंदिर में, हमने पिक्चर्स क्लिक किया, हमने माथा भी टेका और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं. बाय बाय शिव जी. अब हम घर जाएंगे. नाउ इट्स गेटिंग टू कोल्ड. हमने बहुत पतला कपड़ा पहना हुआ है पर वैसे भी घर जाने वाले हैं. सो नमू भी आ गई है. ओके, आई हैव टू साइन ऑफ. मीट इन द नेक्स्ट. बाय बाय.